Ever found yourself stuck with a video that's upside down or sideways in Adobe Animate? Don't worry, rotating video in Animate is super easy, and in the next minute and a half, I'll show you exactly how. First, make sure you've already imported your video clip into your Animate project. If you haven't, go to File, then Import, and select your video. Now, with your video clip selected on the stage, look over to the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. If you don't see the Properties panel, go to Window and then select Properties. Scroll down in the Properties panel until you find the Transform section. This is where the magic happens. In the Transform section, you'll see a field labeled Rotation. This is where you can enter the angle of rotation you want. Simply type in the number of degrees you want to rotate the video. For example, if you want to rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, type in 90. You can also use negative numbers to rotate counterclockwise. So, to rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise, enter 90. Alternatively, you can manually rotate the video by selecting it on the stage and using the free transform tool. A small circle appears. Click and drag this circle to rotate it freely. Feel free to experiment with different angles to get the exact orientation you need, and that's all there is to it. Now you can easily correct the orientation of your videos or add some creative flair to your animations by rotating them in Adobe Animate. Be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks.